And in a society where we have $100 million paintings, I just want everyone to remember, essentially 5 Picassos have been taken from these young girls. But something even more valuable than 5 Picassos has been taken. And we're going to together come up with a reasonable dollar amount to reflect what's been taken. But if we really looked at Jose and who he was as a father, I think there was more perfection than there was imperfection. I think that the amount of love, despite the circumstances, that he generated, and the safe space and emotional space and affection and hugs and kisses and encouragement that this man demonstrated to his daughters is unique. It's very unique. And it's something that we need to celebrate with a real verdict, with a dollar amount that reflects what's really important. I'm going to show you pictures of, basketball players that pay hundreds of millions of dollars to put a ball into a net, and planes that we spend billions of dollars on, and paintings, and you heard about some actresses and other people with salacious beginnings, now with billion-dollar empires. But as humans, as real people, as jurors, you now have a chance to tell everyone what real value is. Who's the real superstar to a family? Who's the real Picasso to a family? And if anything has value, it's the value of father's love. That has value more than any other thing. That's, when you think about your life, okay, I guarantee you, every single thing you do at the end of the day is to either get or maintain human connection. That's all that really matters. The way you do your hair, your makeup, the amount of hours you work, everything you're doing is to maintain human connection, because that's life. And there is no closer bond and nothing more beautiful than the human connection between parent and child. And that human connection can be arguing. Sometimes arguing with your child is the beauty of life. Sometimes your kid rolling their eyes at you is the beauty of life. Sometimes not getting along with your father is the beauty of life. That is what makes life worth living. Not a painting, not a B-2 bomber, not an athlete, but the human connection you have with your father. And there are people that live this earth that don't have any connection with their parents, or have a limited connection with their parents. And what you saw in this courtroom was, in every single picture, love beaming and radiating with this family. He had $1 billion smile. He had $1 billion heart. Maybe he didn't have a lot of money. Maybe he didn't have a car. But the law that the court told you covers that. We don't award less money for a man because he wasn't a rich man in his pocketbook. The value of a man, the value of a father, the value of a father-daughter relationship is not dictated by how much money they have. Do you know why? You can't hug a paycheck. You can't kiss a paycheck.